Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a Fashion Nova haul. If you're new here, welcome. So let's just get started. This beautiful dress from Fashion Nova. It is beautiful. I haven't worn it yet. All these I just got. It says long sleeve, is good quality. I cannot wait to wear it. And I got it in a medium size. Another beautiful dress is this one over here. It's open in front. Has those little buttons. Do they open? Yeah, they open. Details on the sleeve, I like that, and the same details on the bottom. And it's very soft, quality, stretchy, and the size is medium. I really love it. I love the dress. Is beautiful and I cannot wait to wear it too. Then this is a top. I have this top. It's more like, I can see it has a hoodie and it's a small sleeve. Has that, and I don't know if you can see the details over here. It's very nice. I like it. And this ties in your waist. You can wear it with jeans. You can wear it with anything you want, or leggings. I think I will use this for the gym. Next is going to be this bucket jacket. It has a hoodie and it's very long. Long. Has pockets. And you can wear these on top of anything. And the size of these is small. And it's cute. And you know, you can wear these with this together. And some high knee boots. It's gonna look the bomb. And then I have these skinny jeans. Very nice. Stretchy. The material is not feel like a jeans. I kind of like the way it feels. I like this material a lot. And the size is a 3. Let me see, do I have price? This has price, yes, $29.99. So yeah, oh, and those are the pockets. Let me show you the pockets. Beautiful. I really love the material. If you can see, it looks shiny. I really love it. Like, I had to buy another one, but a different color, because I really like it. I cannot wait to wear this one too. And next I bought, and then I have these shorts. I know it still is winter, but summer is coming. You always have to be prepared, especially the times are flying, so you know, you gotta be prepared. So I bought these shorts to wear for the gym when I work out and stuff like that. Of course, I have to wait till the summer come, because it is too cold to wear these. But yes, let me see. The size is small and the price was $7. Awesome price. Short, small. I found these with the top. Like these. This is small too. Like the colors, they had it in gray and this color. I don't know if they still have it, because you know, Fashion Nova always has sold out. So yeah, I like. This is the back. This is the front. Of course, it's winter. I am not wearing none of this stuff right now. I gotta wait for summer, except those 2 dresses. I could wear those. So yes. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my Fashion Nova haul. It was very small Fashion Nova haul. Please comment down below. I will link everything and put the links in the description box, so it will be easier for you guys to be able to find it if you decide to, if you like them and want to buy them. Let me know in the comment below if you bought any clothes from Fashion Nova, or you like them, what do you think about their clothing or online? So yes, don't forget to hit that notification so you could get notification every time I post a video.